to Rotoscope inside Premiere Pro without using After Effects. First, press Import and import your clips into the project. Then drag your clip into the timeline directly. Next, you have to duplicate this clip into V2 by pressing Alt. Once done, select the above clip and inside Tools, select Object Selection Mask and mask your object. Once you have masked your object, then inside Effect Controls, track your mask forward and backward. Once it is completed, go to Object Mask and change it to Opacity Mask. This will make everything black other than the object. As you can see when I hide V1, your rotoscope is completed. Now, to add text like I have added before, you need to put the above clip into V3 and make an empty space in V2. Inside Tools, select the Text tool and write your typography. Then adjust the size, font, and color according to you. Now, to make the text appear behind the object, you need to put the text layer into V2, and boom, your text is behind the object. With this simple technique, you can do rotoscoping right inside Premiere Pro. No After Effects required. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.